Hey guys, this is Vicky and you're watching manofphysique. I hope you are all safe. I know these days maintaining the diet is a very difficult part, and activity level also has been dropped down due to the lockdown stage. So we used to wake up very late and watch movie, TV and play games, etc. Due to the drop down of our activity level, we may have been gained some fat. And many of my subscribers asked to do a video on full day of eating for fat loss. That's why I want to help people with a basic diet of full day of eating for fat loss. I did this video with full of love and effort for you. I hope this video will definitely help you for fat loss diet, and do support me on my Instagram. If you want to ask any questions, ask me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID link is below the description box. Do check that. Without wasting your time, let's start the video.
If you're seeing my face for the first time, so go ahead and press subscribe button and press bell button so that you don't miss a notification of my upcoming videos.
First in the morning, we have to start with drinking 1 liter of water to improve our digestion system and to increase our metabolism. For that, heat the water little bit, as it should be lukewarm water. Take 1 lemon and cut it into 2 pieces because it has many benefits like boosting the immune system and helping in weight loss. Squeeze the lemon and add the lemon juice in the water and mix it well. Drink it slowly, don't be hurry guys. After 30 minutes of having lemon juice, we have breakfast. Here we use 50 grams of oats, which are healthy source of complex carbs, and we are using 150 of skimmed milk. And for sweetness, we are using jaggery, a natural sugar. Mix it well, cook for 2 minutes. A tasty breakfast is ready to eat. The next is mid-morning snacks, that is orange. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C. It boosts immune system, controls blood sugar level and many more. The next meal is lunch. This should be big meal of the day. Here we are using chicken, rice and vegetables. Take 1 carrot, 1 tomato, 1 bell pepper, that is capsicum, 100 grams of chicken. One onion, Heat a pan and spray some oil and add onions. Add tomatoes, add capsicum and carrots. And pour some water and close with a lid. Cook it for 5 minutes. Then add chicken. Put some turmeric powder, pepper powder, salt for taste, ginger garlic paste and green chili and mix it well. Again close it with a lid and cook it for 20 minutes. What will be the size of my biceps? Tell me on the comment box. So now it is cooked. So see how soft this carrot and chicken are. Then add 50 grams of rice and mix it well. Cook it for 4 minutes. A healthy, full nutrition meal is ready to eat. The next meal is snacks. For that we are using here 2 slices of brown bread, with 33 grams of peanut butter. A simple and healthy snacks. Like, subscribe and turn on the notification by hitting the bell icon to stay tuned with me. Last meal of the day with high fat. Guys, the fat does not make us fat. If we eat fat means we get fat. This is just a myth. Here we are using 100 grams of paneer. Slice it into small pieces. Paneer has casein protein which absorbs protein slowly and gives us to our body overnight. It has a benefit to boost our weight loss and it is rich in source of folate. Cook the paneer and add some low calories sauce. So healthy dinner is ready. So for dinner we are using 100 grams of yogurt and 100 grams of paneer. Yogurt contains the amino acid that produces the sleep inducing and relaxing chemicals called serotonin and melatonin. Yogurt reduces gastrointestinal symptoms because it is easy to digest and nutritious. Eating yogurt before bed is healthy. So here is the total calories are on the screen. Have a great day, hustle hard and stay peace guys.